What I want to do today is connect our Microsoft To Do and Notion apps so that when a task is created in Microsoft To Do, the task will automatically be uploaded into our selected Notion database. Zapier is a no-code tool, making it easier for anyone to automate workflows across 5,000 plus apps. If you don't have an account, there's a link in the description for a free 2-week trial so you can try it. Risk-free. Let's dive in. In order to get started with this workflow, I'll need to create a Zap. I can do this by clicking the Create Zap button on the left-hand side of the screen. Once I do this, I'll need to set up a trigger. Because I want my task on Microsoft To Do to be uploaded to my Notion database, I'll need to use Microsoft To Do as my trigger. I can find the app by typing it into the search bar and clicking below. The trigger screen will then pop up. I should click New Task as my event, and then click Continue. The first time we set up a trigger, we'll need to authenticate the app with Zapier. A link will pop up for you to log into your Microsoft account. Don't worry, it's totally safe because Zapier uses bank-level encryption. I'll put a link to that in the description as well. Once that's completed, click Tasks, then click Continue. Next, click Test Trigger, and you're all set with the first step. Click Continue, and we can start creating our action. Type in Notion into the search bar and select it on the drop-down menu. Next, click Create Database Item and click Continue. From there, I can select our account and authenticate Notion with Zapier, just like I did with my Microsoft account. Click Continue, and it's time to set up the parameters of our action. First, pick the database you want your task from Microsoft To Do to show up as. I'm going to click Task List. Next, under the name, click Subject, and under the status bar, click To Do. Next, click Continue. Finally, click Test and Review, and I should be all set. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, anytime you create a task in Microsoft To Do, it'll automatically be uploaded into your selected Notion database. I hope this was a helpful demo. Zapier can do so much more with these two apps and thousands of others. Check Zapier out. There's a free trial. Click the link in the description.